ሰላም እንዴት ናችሁ? ውድ የዩቲዩብ ቤተሰቦቼ በዚህኛው ሴሽን ደግሞ ስለ ኖርም ኦፍ ቬክተርስ እናያለን። የቬክተሮችን ኖርማቸው እንዴት መፈለግ እንዳለብን from the given xy plane. This is a vector u, initial point x1 y1 and the terminal point is b, which is x2 y2. So the norm or the magnitude of a vector u is given by in this formula. This is the norm of finding the norm of any vector u, which is given by norm of u is symbol or denoted by this absolute value, the square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So let's apply this example. By using any example, let's see how can we solve the norm of any vector. So let's find the norm of the vector, the following vectors. So ለምሳሌ let's take 3, minus 3. So from this the first coordinate is 3, the second coordinate is minus 3. So we have initial point x in our initial point is 0 0, right? Then the vector v is 3, minus 3 means the initial point is 0 0. This is always simply the norm, or this is the norm or the magnitude of this vector v, the norm of a vector. Let's name this vector u, which is 3, minus 3, is given by absolute value of u equal to the square root of, now substitute instead of x2 minus x1 the whole square. So our initial is 0 0, that means x1 is 0 and y1 is 0, but the given terminal point is x2 is 3, y2 is minus 3, right? That means instead of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square, from this we know that vector u has initial point is 0 0, that means x1 and y1 is 0 and x2 is from this interval 3 and y2 is minus 3. So substitute here. So what we have, the square root of x2 is 3, so we have 3 minus 0 the whole square plus y2 minus 3 minus 0 the whole square. So now we have the square root of 3 minus 0 is 3, so we have 3 square plus minus 3 minus 0 is minus 3, so minus 3 the whole square. This is equal to the square root of 3 square is 9 plus minus 3 square root also 9. The sum of the two is the square root of 1/8. This means 1/8. This is equals to the square root of 9 times 2, or I can write like this, 9 times 2 is 18. Simply 9 times 2 is 80 means, so this 9 is out from the radicals, 3 ሆኖ ይወጣል ማለት ነው። 3 radical 2. So this is the norm of, or the magnitude of this vector 3, minus 3. How much is it? This is 3. So now 3 radical 2 is the solution of the given vector. ቴንክ ዩ ፎር ዋቺንግ ዶንት ፎርጌት ቱ ሰብስክራይብ ማድረግ እንዳትረሱ። አመሰግናለሁ። ባይ ባይ።